Hi everyone. In our today's lesson we discuss about who we are. Lesson 4. Page number 34 to 36. Some learning objectives. Define personality. Identify its different characters. Anticipatory set. What is that thing called a personality? Possible answer can be the inside of the person. It might refer to feelings and thoughts, etc. What is a person? Possible answer can be a combination of body and soul. What moves a person to act or react to things? Possible answer can be some are moved by their intellect while others are controlled by their emotions. What might a personality be? Any person has two main elements that mold his character: heredity and sociocultural factor. To understand sociocultural factor, you have to study his life in relation to his family, surrounding, and social status. This is always referred to as socio-cultural factor. Let's talk about heredity. Inborn characteristics are another factor which affect a person's character upon birth. These are genetically determined and cannot be altered. Discuss the conditions. Each of the students will be completely different because the biological factor that have effect, the surrounding has an effect. The family status will also have an important effect on the person. Take a simple example of the students in your class. Student A in your classroom is of Tunisian origin, is born to a wealthy family and is leading a happy and peaceful home life. Student B has the same social background but with one difference. His family life is in jeopardy since his parents are not really getting along. Student C is from Egypt and has the same family status like student A. So, the above are the elements that mold the outside of a character. But what goes on inside? Let's discuss. Inner personality ID satisfies basic and innate needs. Pleasure is the basis, not controlled by reason. Now let's discuss superego. Controls ID, pushes feelings of guilt to the surface, wants people, gives feeling of pride, carries all morals and ideals we acquire from our parents and society. Last, ego. In between both, rules of the ego and demands of the ID weighs the cost and benefits of an action before deciding to act. A normal person has an equal portion of each of the above elements. But what happens when the three elements are not equal? Consider the cases when either one of the characteristics prevail over the others. How will the person be different? Number 1. When the ID is in control, person tries to satisfy body needs. Behavior antisocial imbalance. When the superego is in control, move by the rules only. Discussing the chart as normal healthy personality. A normal healthy personality, number 1, is honest and accepts oneself with all positive and negative traits. Number 2, has self regard and self love. Number 3, understands others and knows how to deal with them. Number 4, has the ability to satisfy the ID, ego, and superego. Number 5, knows how to balance between the innate needs and the standards and values taught by the family.